watched just now. In just 5 minutes, remove dark spots, black spots, and dark circles. Get spotless fair skin. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to remove dark spots. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. Two teaspoons of milk powder, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 pinch of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sunblock cream. I'm using La Roche-Posay one. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's the time to apply this recipe on your dark spots. Leave it on for 5 minutes. For best results, use this recipe once a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.